So let's talk about this confirmation entry really quick. All right. So the confirmation entry is real simple. It's usually the move that starts the day after you get the signal to that the trend has reversed and you're looking to go in the direction of the new trend, right? So I'm gonna show you an example of the confirmation entry. Let's go back. Let's try to find it. Okay, so here's a really good setup right here. You can use this on all the trend reversals, even if you're counter trend trading. But I'm just gonna show you a real clear one. USD CAD. Let's look at another chart. Something that let's look at the Euro USD. It's a commonly traded pair, so we may give us a good trend. Okay, so here it is right here. So let's look at this section right here. Let's look at this section right here to look at what a confirmation entry looks like. All right, so if you've been following new level, you know this is the signal. This is the candle right here that gives you the signal to go short, right? Matter of fact, let me take this off. So this is the candle that gave you the signal to go short. But this isn't what you're trading on. You wait till this candle closes, right? So that's your signal, right? So because we don't know this is going to happen. So when the candle closes, boom, that's your signal. So you want to put your stop loss in at the high of the swing. And then you want to get in the trade when price breaks the low of this candle, right? So that's the candle that closed and gave you the signal. So this is the actual trading day. So when I put this line on the actual trading day, right, and I go to the 1 hour, the line is going to start at the beginning of this day. So let me show you guys what the confirmation entry is. All right, so let me back up, find a spot, smooth this out so you can see it. Where are we? Okay, there it is right there. So here's what the confirmation entry looks like. So of course you want to put your you want to make sure that on the previous day, the only thing you're looking for is on the previous day, because remember when I put the line, this starts this trading day right here. So this is the trading day that we actually take the trade on, this day right here. This second, we're on the 1 hour. From line to line represents a 1 day price action, right? So this is the actual trading day that you're going to be looking at trading. But this day already happened, right? So the confirmation entry, when you get the signal to go short, what you want to make sure, your 12 period moving average and your 36 period moving average has crossed, right? Your 12 has crossed below the 36 if you're going short. Your 12 should have crossed above the 36 if you're going long, right? So once you see the cross has taken place at the end of this day, then that also confirms that price wants to go in another direction. And that's your confirmation entry right there. That's what you're looking for. So you're looking for price to break this low, break the low. This is where we'll potentially have a sell stop order right here. That confirms the confirmation. You saw the cross, and then your stop loss should be at the high of the swing. So your stop loss is somewhere up in here, right? So you're looking like 120 pip stop. Well, it's 100 pip stop. You can adjust the stop a little bit. So I would bring the stop in probably right in there, right? I'll bring the stop right there. You know, real particular about my stop loss. I don't bring the stop right behind it because price can just go up and stop out all the traders because they know if this is the swing of the previous day. They know there's a lot of stop losses behind this swing right here. People are going short. So I put my stop up here at the swing because they have to spend a lot of money to bring price all the way back here. You're probably not going to do it. So 100 pips, boom, bam. So you're looking at 64. You got it on the very next day. You got your risk to 1 to 1. And then if you go for 2 to 1, you probably got 1.5 to 1 out of this. 100, so you need 150. Yeah. 1.5, almost 2 to 1, almost 2 to 1. You know, I do 1 to 1 risk to reward, 2% I'm out. That works best for me. I've learned that over time. That 1 to 1 is easy to get to 2 to 1, and 2% risk to reward. I'm out, and you get these every week, right? So you get these every week. So that's the confirmation entry. Price crosses over, goes stop order, boom, right to the take profit. All right, I'm out.